Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to appear offline on PUBG on PC and Steam. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, here's an important note before we proceed. There are actually two different methods you can use to appear offline in PUBG, and I'll walk you through both of them so you can choose whichever works best for your situation. Let's start with the first method. Look at the bottom right corner of your Steam window and click on Friends and Chat. This will open up your Friends panel where you can see who's online and manage your status. Now you'll notice a small icon right beside your username at the top of this panel. Go ahead and click on that icon and a menu will appear with different status options. From this menu, select Invisible. This is a quick and effective way to hide your online status. What's great about this method is that you'll look offline to all your friends, but you can still play PUBG online without any restrictions. Your friends won't see you as active, and you can enjoy your gaming session privately. Now let me show you the second method, which involves your privacy settings. This approach gives you more control over what information others can see on your profile. In the upper left corner of Steam, hover your mouse over your username. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there select Profile. This will take you to your Steam profile page where you can customize various settings. On the right side of your profile page, you'll see an option that says Edit Profile. Click on it to access your profile customization options. Once you're in the editing section, look at the left side of the screen and click on Privacy Settings. This is where you can fine-tune who sees what on your profile. In the Privacy Settings menu, look for an option labeled Game Details. Right beside it, you'll find a drop-down menu. Click on that drop-down and you'll see several options appear. Select either Private or Friends Only based on your preferences. If you choose Private, nobody will be able to see what game you're playing. If you select Friends Only, only people on your friends list will see your gaming activity. The key benefit of this method is that it stops showing playing PUBG on your profile entirely, giving you complete privacy about your gaming sessions. And there you have it. You now know two different ways to appear offline while playing PUBG on Steam, giving you the privacy you want while still enjoying the game. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.